Here's what you can do in order to try to fix the issue with incoming calls not showing on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion. So the first thing that you can check is the Do Not Disturb mode, because with the DND mode activated, you might not see incoming calls. In order to quickly check DND, if it's activated, we can go to notifications, at least by default, if you have the classic control center style. Then over here we have this Do Not Disturb button, so you want to make sure that it is disabled. If you don't have it over here, you want to unfold this whole control center and then try to find it somewhere over here. So make sure that DND mode is not activated. It can be activated due to a schedule being set up, or any other mode that activates DND mode. So you need to pretty much find in the settings mostly if there is anything that uses DND mode. Usually if the DND mode is set up, then you can find it by going to sound and vibration, and then over here we have the Do Not Disturb, and over here we can go to schedules in order to find it. And here, for example, we have for the bedtime mode, so I can just turn it off. For example, over here I can turn it off. I can turn off the whole bedtime mode, or I can go to customize in order to deactivate the Not Disturb mode. However, this is just one specific example, of course. There might be other options here as well. However, if you are certain that DND mode is not interfering with incoming calls, if DND mode is not the reason, then the next thing that we can do is go to the settings. And then over here we're gonna go to apps. In apps, let's go to the list of all apps. Let's press see all apps, and then over here tap on these three dots in the top right corner to show system apps. And now we're gonna search. So we're gonna tap on this icon next to three dots, and first we're gonna type phone, and let's search for the phone app over here. Then we're gonna force stop the phone app. Besides that, we're gonna go to storage and cache, and we want to clear storage. There we go. In the case of the phone app, we also want to go to permissions in order to check if there is any permission not granted that could be crucial to have allowed for the app, such as, for example, the phone permission over here, or the microphone, etc., or even notifications, of course. These are essentials. So after that, you can also go to phone and messaging storage. In this case, we can also force stop, go to storage and cache. And in this case, I cannot clear storage, but I'm gonna clear cache anyway. Let's go back. There's also phone calls, so we're gonna force stop as well and check phone storage. Let's clear the storage. There we go. And phone services, let's clear that as well. So essentially anything that is related to the phone, we want to clear it and force stop. Besides that, you can also write calls. Okay, so in this case there is nothing left. So I believe these are all apps that we should force stop and clear. So after that, what you want to do is you want to open the phone app in order to just make sure that it is actually running, that it can receive calls. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.